Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem codes on Blox Fruits game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to redeem a code, you need to go to the setting menu right here. Just click on the setting icon and then you're going to scroll down until you find the redeem option. And this is for the modern view guys, modern appearance. If you use the classic appearance, you can click on this gear right here. The position will be different. Okay, just click on the setting and then you're going to scroll down and you will find redeem option. Click on redeem and then you can enter the code. And I'm going to redeem a code that I haven't redeemed yet. Oops, wait. The code is the straw hat mean. Let's see if it's working or not. Oh, okay, it's still working. Okay, and wow, it give me like protection or I don't know. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem a code in the Blox Fruits of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.